king. How many rides you got, Dirty? Well, I got a Caprice on 24s. I got a Range Rover with spinners. I got an Impala with beat. Let's go. I do ride Bentleys and cruise, but I don't give away all my loot. Trick over silly, I won't. Ride less than 20 inches, I don't. But I do. Know this might be a single when I walk my chains on, so they might jingle if she give me low. Ain't a hater nowhere, my crew so famous that I can't go nowhere to lose. You name it, the mall, the gas station, them people be waiting to see me hopping something, hating on them dudes too skating, running it like Walter Payton and tell you I'm so blatant. The paper I'm saving, my bank account is amazing. I'm rating myself for 20, I'm taking myself for 20. I'm doing the show for 20, then holla at it in 20. That's all money I got to make, stack up a couple $100 million.